Guys, this is Fiona. This is my 1 month update for me and baby. 1 month update for me and baby. Yeah, well, 6 weeks. He is currently 6 weeks and 2 days. Today, 6 weeks and 3 days. I'm sorry. And I'm gonna start off with him. Okay, so he is growing like really big. He is 9 pounds 14 ounces. Well, he was 9 pounds 14 ounces on Thursday. He was 9 pounds 13 ounces. 14 ounces. So he may well off be 10 pounds already now. So he was suffering from cradle cap. It didn't pull his hair out. It just broke his skin out really bad because I didn't know what was going on. I never even, I knew about cradle cap, but I never even knew what it looked like. It just looked like he had dry skin. So I'm thinking it's eczema. So I'm treating it as if it was eczema, not treating the scalp. So I went to the doctors. They told me it was cradle cap. So I started washing his hair every day, moisturizing it. He doesn't have any cradle cap in his scalp anymore, and I'm clearing his face up. But yeah, that was just, I just hate seeing him. It looked like he was in pain, even though he probably wasn't. I know it was probably itchy and he couldn't scratch it. What are you talking about? So yeah, he's starting to coo. He turned over. He's just a big boy. Can't believe it. He's out of his newborn stuff. Well, he's been out of his newborn stuff. He's in a 0 to 3. He can fit his 3-month stuff. His still got baby brain. His stork bites, since he got darker, his stork bites is going away. He's starting to have better hand-eye coordination. I'll put his rat on front of him. He'll try to reach out and grab it with a finger or something like that. So I know he is seeing well. Let me think what else. He's really active. He stays up later. He's sleeping longer. He sleeps from I could put last night I put him to sleep around 11:30. He stays sleeping until 5:30 or 6:30. So yeah, he stays asleep for a while. He's drinking 4 ounces of milk. I don't like to give him any more because he'll just spit it up. Are you drooling? Yes. That is pretty much it on him. I can't think of anything else. Sometimes, I still had milk, a little bit of milk. I tried to breastfeed him. He latched on and he was sucking like crazy, but it was nothing coming out, and it didn't start. I did it a couple of times that day, and I didn't get no milk, so I was like, whatever. Bless you. He is a formula fed exclusive baby. I haven't had no problems with the formula. Besides, he only goes to the bathroom once a day. Sometimes he'll go twice, but for the most part, it's just one big time. It fills up 2 diapers. I'll start changing them. He's going and going and going and going like crazy. I'm trying to make this video short because I have him and he is wide awake. Look at my baby. Oh, and he's smiling. He's a little laugh, not a big laugh. It's just a small laugh, whatever. His navel healed fine, and his circumcision healed perfectly. Okay, so on to me. I'm 6 weeks postpartum. I had my 4-week check. My incision, because I had a C-section, my incision did get infected, but it was only infected in one area, so I was just using this Bactrim, whatever, this ointment. Hey, what are you talking about? This ointment for so it'll clear up, and it cleared it up. So my incision is perfectly healed. In one of the videos, if you want to see it, I'll show you guys. But it's perfectly healed. I'm no longer I stopped postpartum bleeding at 2 weeks. You want this? at like 2 weeks. But now I had got my regular period, so thank God I'm not pregnant. So I called my doctors to let them know that happened, so they could schedule me for my appointment for Mirena, because that's the birth control I was going to pick, and my insurance doesn't cover it. They only cover removal. But like, how would I get it placed if you don't cover it, but y'all cover a removal at 100%? That's some BS. So yeah, right now I'm going to start the pills on Sunday, and until I can, probably until my next menstrual cycle, so I can find a place that does it, like a women's center that does it. I lost 35 pounds. I still have like 5 or 10 more to go before I'm back to my pre-pregnancy weight, but I still don't feel and look like I'm back at my pre-pregnancy weight, so it's like kind of discouraging. I started my diet today, so hopefully I'll see progress in the upcoming weeks. I'm going natural. This is my natural hair. I'm trying to grow it longer, so I'll have a couple of videos, because I've been doing a couple of different things to my hair now, so I can grow it longer. I'm trying to think, is that all with me? I've been suffering from a little bit of postpartum depression. I didn't never think that that's what it was. Like, I just thought, like, okay, I know normal moms are sad, or they go through sad, happy phases, but like, I just couldn't like shake it. Like, I was sad. I was like, I go from one extreme to the next. So I was talking to my doctor about it. She was like, I think you need to see like a therapist. So I seen a therapist, and like, I would recommend therapy to anybody. Like, it doesn't matter if you're going through anything. It's just an outlet, somebody to talk to that's not biased. So I mean, I went to go see her, and she was actually really nice. I haven't went back. I need to make another appointment. But what you doing? That's going along well. I'm not ashamed of it. It's something that women go through. But I don't think I mean, I don't feel depressed right now, or I didn't feel depressed, but my doctor, she said that's what she think it was. So it is what it is. I'm taking care of it, and I'm feeling good. I got to do what I got to do for my son. So, and when I'm sad, I know he could probably sense it, and I need a happy baby. So, you know. One last thing I forgot to tell you guys about him. He has been suffering from like hiccups. Like, he gets crazy hiccups. Every time he eats, he gets hiccups. And he's really gassy. Like, he'll like pass gas while I'm like feeding him. He'll like pass gas. He like farts all the time, and he's burping like crazy. So I had brought him some gripe water, and it's working pretty good. It works really good. It's just fennel and ginger herbal supplement, and he likes it. Like, sometimes I don't even put it in his bottle. I'll just give it to him directly. He like and starts smiling. Like, he really likes the taste, so I usually just give it to him directly so he can switch up the tastes. I know that milk taste gotta be like, oh, I'm so sick of eating milk, but he eats it like it. He never tasted it before, and he just eat it right up, the milk. But I switch it up and give it to him directly, the gripe water, and he actually likes it. Mr. CJ, you say hi. You say hi, mommy baby. And he is starting to look just like him, mommy. Yes. And I'm loving it. People are starting to notice, like, he looks just like you. This is your twin. I'm like, yes, my baby is my twin. And his hair is starting to come in on the top. So all around, we're doing good. Hopefully I'll be able to make more videos. It's just, I'm like super tired. Like, I don't feel like it. I watch you guys' videos. I just don't like have the time. I mean, I do have the time, but when I do get the time to record, I'm tired. So I'll use that time to sleep. So we are going to go. I probably won't do another video about me and him until like 6 months or 3 months postpartum. Yeah, because I don't need to do it at 2 months. I'll do it at 3 months. And then after that, it'll be 6 months. And then after that, it'll be 8 months. And then after that, it'll be a year. So, or 10 months or a year or whatever. So look forward to, I'm going to be doing like a hair journey because I'm really trying to grow my hair out longer. Right now, comes down the hair. It's shedding. It is shedding. I don't know if that's due to postpartum because I'm only almost 2 months postpartum, so I don't know when that shedding actually starts. But I am having a lot of shedding, and I'll tell you guys in my next video what I'm doing for the shedding. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. You can see pictures of me and CJ on my Instagram at Fiona Freckles. And that is going to be it for this video because he is getting a little restless and he getting sleepy. So I'm going to put him to sleep. See you guys.